YouTubers, I'm coming to you today from upstairs in my man cave, my loft, my office. Not going to do a video today on the fish room. Instead, this is going to be about another one of my pets. One I cherish dearly, looked long and hard for him, and I finally was able to find him. Spent 4 hours on the road driving to pick him up. He's been with me for about 8-9 months now. He's about a 9-month-old, actually, so he's only been with me about 7 months. He is a Desert Lynx Bobcat, and I have a little video of him today. I hope you all enjoy, maybe get something different than just looking at fish all the time. You get to enjoy my little brat like I do. Alright, here he is. Alright, that there is my Desert Lynx Bobcat. He is 9 months old. And he likes to play catch and fetch and play soccer where he's the goalie. So, let's see if we can do this. Come on, buddy. Oh, there he is. Oh, come on. You ready? You ready? No, get out there. Ready? All right, drop it. Good boy. Come here. Oh, you gonna stop it this time? Get your box. Ready? Oh, he missed that one. Good boy. Good boy. All right, here we go. Ready? And this ball is the green and white one. Now you see him walk past the brown yellow one. Because he doesn't like that one. He likes the green and white one. Hey, cheater. That's not next to me. Oh. Alright, here he goes. Lay down. Oh. Good stop. Where are you going with it? Get back over here. One more time. One more time for the fans. I guess we'll play soccer another day. He likes to lay. Thanks, buddy. Can you look up and say hi? No. He likes to lay in that box where she's going and then jump out when I throw the ball and stop it. Look at that next time. Hey, she's in your box. You better go get it. Uh-oh. What's she gonna do here? Let's throw the ball in there. Want to go in there and get it? Oh, that was bad trouble. Hey buddy, can you look up and say hi? Hey Lan. Hey. Can you say hi? Why don't you go in there and get your ball? Go on, go in there and get your ball. Bring it to me.